Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. Kids, now we coloring capital letter alphabets A to Z. Subscribe to our channel. First we are mixing the color of blue. Kids, first we draw the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. Subscribe to our channel. First we are using blue color and now we are coloring the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Subscribe to our channel. Now we are using the color of blue. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E. E for egg. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is G. G for God. Kids, the next one is H. H for hand. We again use the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. H for hand. The next one is I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids, now we're coloring the alphabet of I. And the next one is J. J for jackfruit. The next one is K. K for kite. The next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. The next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. Now we draw and coloring O, the alphabet of O. The next one is P. P for penguin, P for parrot. The next one is Q. Q for queen. Now we are coloring the alphabet of Q. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. The next one is T. Now we're coloring U. And the next one is V. V for van. The next one is W. The alphabet of W. The next one is X. X for Xmas tree. The next one is Y. And the last one is Z. Today we draw and coloring alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.